So you're ready to hire a virtual assistant. But instead of reaching out to a staffing agency, you've decided to do the hiring yourself because it's a more affordable solution. Well, that's actually a good idea because while the DIY, do-it-yourself approach can be overwhelming, we're here to help you craft the perfect virtual assistant job description so you can find the right candidates. So, what are the steps in crafting the perfect virtual assistant job description? Step number 1, use a clear job title that contains the relevant keywords. The job title is the first thing applicants see when they search for jobs, so you need to keep it as clear as possible to attract the right people. Try to use job titles that include the keyword virtual assistant, since that's the role you're trying to fill. To give the applicants a clear idea of what you're looking for, you can write something like, Number 1, self-motivated virtual assistant with 2+ years experience in website content administration. Number 2, general virtual assistant with strong administration skills. Number 3, virtual assistant with excellent communication skills. Number 4, administrative virtual assistant with 5 Ys data analysis experience. Number 5, real estate virtual assistant with CRM and admin experience. Number 6, virtual assistant with graphic design experience. Number 7, virtual assistant with excellent computer skills, attention to detail, and organizational abilities. This should help you find candidates with the right qualifications for the role you have in mind. Also, you're better off using conventional job titles in your search. Avoid using quirky job titles with words like genius, guru, ninja, superhero, rock star, and wizard in them. I'm sure you have seen companies use these, and while it's a great way to showcase the laid-back culture you have in the office, job seekers may have a hard time finding your job posting. Or worse yet, you may end up turning off potential candidates. The editorial team at Indeed explained this best in a blog they wrote a few years ago. We know that weird job titles can be fun and indicative of a more laid-back culture. However, without a cultural frame of reference, using them in your job listings can affect how well your job posting does. Most people search for roles that match their skills and experience, and so using terms like ninja and rockstar in job titles and descriptions can confuse job seekers and put them off from applying. Step number 2, provide an overview of the position. You should provide an overview of the role and the qualities you're looking for in a virtual assistant. We want it to catch the attention of promising candidates, but keep it short and concise. For example, come join us. We are looking for a highly reliable virtual assistant to join our remote team. The ideal candidate for this position should be able to handle administrative projects and deliver high-quality work under minimum supervision. We need someone resourceful and proactive, someone who can anticipate what work needs to be done. Step number 3, give a brief overview of your business and the company culture. In a few sentences, talk about your company. What is your goal? What do you want to achieve? Don't forget, this is probably going to be your potential employee's first introduction to your company. Try to talk about the company culture so the applicants will know what it will be like working there. Here's an example. We are a lead generation company that specializes in generating hot leads for clients in the financial services and insurance industry. We want to take the tedious manual work out of lead generation so our clients can focus on their core business activities. The number one thing anyone should know about me when applying to be a member of my team is that I believe in enabling my team members and getting out of their way. I do not micromanage or butt in unnecessarily when someone takes ownership of their work and does a great job. Also, I have highly detailed video training to help you step by step through the work for this position. This is paid training. I never asked my team members to do the work or training for free. The paragraph showcasing your company culture should help you attract the right people for the role. Remember, hiring for culture fit is very important. You want someone who shares your company's values and beliefs because this leads to higher performance and increased job satisfaction. Step number 4, what are the job responsibilities and skills required? So we finally got to the part where you list down the job responsibilities and skills required for the position. Getting this section right is vital because you want to ensure that the applicants understand what they are expected to do when they get hired. So here are the responsibilities. Number 1, maintain calendar. Number 2, prepare reports and presentations. Number 3, maintain the database system. Number 4, schedule meetings and appointments. Number 5, make travel arrangements. Number 6, act as the first point of contact for prospective clients. Number 7, take calls and messages. Number 8, perform basic bookkeeping duties. Number 9, conduct research. Number 10, assist in other daily office needs. So, here are the skills required. Number 1, excellent verbal and written communication skills. Number 2, superb organizational and time management skills. Number 3, ability to multitask with ease and stay calm under pressure. 4, attention to detail. Number 5, adept in technology, especially Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Number 6, work experience as a virtual assistant or similar role. So, where to hire your VA? Onlinejobs.ph is a great place to start your search for a virtual assistant. So why this particular site when there are plenty of other online job markets out there? Why hire from the Philippines? Well, we prefer onlinejobs.ph because of the top quality talent available there at affordable rates. Most of the virtual assistants in their database are college educated and they speak fluent English. You should be able to hire a full-time virtual assistant for around $510 a month. That's the average monthly salary of a general virtual assistant from the Philippines. It will likely cost more if you want someone with specialized skills or more experience. So go and post a job ad on onlinejobs.ph. See if you like the resumes there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us a message. In the description below, you will find a link to our favorite job board, Online Jobs. Hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.